Hello everybody, Brad here at 12 Mile Balls. Just want to share the excitement here while we open up a couple new snakes today. Went to Midwest Reptile Show down in Indy. Big thanks to Shawn Smith at SRS Exotics, as well as Carson. Carson is actually the father of this gene. It's a new gene. It's only been out a little while. Not a lot of people working with it, so I'm pretty excited to get started on this project. This is the Nanny project. These are Nanny ball pythons. You won't see a lot of these around here. This is my female Nanny. As you can see, if you look at the back of the head, kind of neat how the lineage is broken up there. And then also here on her sides, see how it kind of breaks things up, gives it that granite look a little bit on the side of them. Doesn't look like a whole lot as just a single gene, but when it's mixed with others, it is quite incredible. But even the single gene Nanny here is just amazing. Going to be very, very fun to work with. She's a little smaller, so it's going to be a little while before she's ready to breed, but gives me time to find just the right male for her. This next one here is what I'm really excited about. Hold that. This one is a Nanny Mojave, and as most of you, if you're on my page, you've probably seen a regular Mojave, which is a good looking snake in and of itself. A few things mixed with makes it even more incredible. But this Nanny Mojave is probably one of my favorite looking snakes there is right now. And you'll see how just mixing this Nanny gene with another single gene snake like a Mojave can make a very badass looking snake. That is a Nanny Mojave. That's my boy. He's a little bigger. Won't be too much longer till he's ready to breed. Now, one thing I like the most about this, he's a little squirrely right out of the bag. If you look around his first 4 to 5 inches there after his head, just kind of looks normal Mojave. And then you'll notice basically everything on the side of him gets broken up. I mean, it's just all his design is now real busy. A lot of granite look to it. Super awesome striping down the entire length of his body. He didn't like that hour-and-a-half car ride home in a little pillowcase, that's for sure. So that's my little sneak peek. I'm going to get these guys upstairs in their own little quarantine rack. Let them have a few months to make sure their health and everything is good before I start dealing with any projects with them. Hopefully this Friday they've settled enough to eat and start getting settled into their new home. So I will definitely keep you guys posted on this project. It's going to be a very hot gene. And hopefully next year I start making some pretty amazing things out of this boy and a few girls I've got lined up for him. So have a good one. This is Brad at 12 Mile Balls. Hope you enjoyed the video.